If you spent as much time researching tyres as you do when buying a car, you would always choose Cooper tyres. Cars have come a long way since they were first invented. They were hard to control and didn't even have brakes. Today, cars are a lot safer and reliable than way back then. ABS braking, airbags, traction control, even seatbelts and air conditioning are all improvements made over time that we now take for granted. There is a massive difference among car brands and models, and it comes down to technology. Well, just as with cars, not all tyres are the same. They look similar, but there is a massive difference in technology, and that matters. Your tyres are the single most important safety feature on your vehicle. So take a closer look at the difference the latest generation in tyre technology makes to safety, stability, strength, performance and value for money. We'd like to help you get more involved in choosing your next set of tyres. You can work out whether a tyre has the latest generation technology by looking at three things: the tread design, the way the tyre is built or its carcass, and the materials used to build it, its compound. All you need to remember is TCC. That's tread, carcass and compound. Right now, let's look at Carcass Construction for four-wheel drive tyres. When you build a house, you make sure the foundations are strong and suitable for the construction that's going on top. It's the same with tyres. You might be surprised to learn that while the tread is critical, it's the carcass that accounts for up to 70% of the tyre's performance. What you can't see under the tread is the foundation that the tread sits on. The layers of rubber-based compounds, steel and polyester cords all joined to the sidewall, which has its own construction elements. It all comes together to form the carcass of the tyre. Four-wheel drive tyres rotate at different speeds and different pressures, causing significant friction and generating heat. This is a volatile environment and tyres are under huge pressure. It's the strength of the carcass that keeps the tyre firmly and squarely on the road and running balanced and true. So you want the latest generation technology to protect you and your tyres from these forces. Underneath the tread and in the sidewall of Cooper four-wheel drive tyres are high tensile cords. That's 33% stronger than standard cords of the same weight. This means less risk of damage and a higher load carrying capacity. In the steel belts under the tread, you'll also find super tensile. That's 15% stronger than more commonly used high tensile steel, adding a greater impact strength and better puncture resistance. And because the materials are lighter, Cooper's high tensile construction reduces weight and rolling resistance to improve fuel economy. More adventurous off-roaders might require extra protection. For them, the Armortec 3 Carcass Construction is the answer. Cooper added a third layer of cord at a unique 8-degree angle. This reduces damage and tear. It works like this. This material represents construction of a typical 2 or 3 ply tyre, where all plies run in the same direction. Take a sharp rock like this, found on any four-wheel drive track. Watch how easy it is to puncture and tear down through the material. Now this material, it's better quality because it's ripstop, woven across at regular intervals, just like the plies in Armortec 3. You can see it's nearly impossible to puncture or tear. Armortec 3 also improves steering response. Take a look at how Armortec 3 helps this vehicle return more rapidly to centre steering, compared to this vehicle fitted with another common four-wheel drive brand. With Cooper tyres, you get the latest technology in tread design, carcass construction and compound formula for strength, safety, stability, performance and value for money. Tested and proven in Australia with a mileage warranty of up to 80,000 Ks. You get a tyre design to go the distance, and that's what makes Cooper tyres worth owning.